Introducing the Smeg range of tumble dryers, designed to deliver a balance of performance, energy efficiency and everyday practicality. Each model features advanced heat pump technology, which recycles warm air to dry clothes at lower temperatures. This reduces energy consumption whilst being gentler on fabrics, helping to preserve garment quality over time. With an 8 and 9 kilogram drum capacity, the range suits households of all sizes. The large drum capacity ensures optimal air circulation for efficient drying. The Smeg dryers also offer a large selection of drying programs to suit different fabric types and different user needs. The shirt cycle helps to reduce wrinkling whilst making ironing quicker and easier. The Cotton's Eco Cycle provides a more energy efficient way to dry larger cotton items like towels and bed linen, whilst the Hygiene programme maintains a higher temperature for longer, helping to eliminate bacteria and allergens. Perfect for baby clothes, gym wear and items that may require a deeper clean. There is even a steam refresh function that helps revive lightly worn or stored garments by using steam to reduce odours and soften creases, without the need for a full wash cycle. And for added flexibility, manual time drying is also available, allowing users to set drying times from 10 to 160 minutes, useful for mixed loads or finishing air-dried items. Additional features of the Smeg tumble dryers include a child lock for safety, a self-cleaning system and an accessible lint filter to ensure consistent performance with minimal maintenance. For more information on care and maintenance, please refer to the video linked in the description. And if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel.